Betsy from Cuttin Corners Vinyl in Nederland, Texas, and today we have a fun video for you. We're going to be doing our June 2020 Patreon kit tutorial. Now, if you're not familiar with what our Patreon kit is, every month we do a kit. It is $45 and you order it through Patreon. That includes a t-shirt and several sheets of vinyl, plus you get access to all the SVGs that we post throughout the month, plus the monthly SVGs. So that's all the SVGs that you can get at the $4, the $10. So you get access to all that plus a little bit more. So it's really kind of a cool thing. So for this month's tutorial, you will get an ash gray colored Bella and Canvas tee. You'll also get Cornflower Blue Thermoflex Plus, Flame Red Thermoflex Plus, Black Thermoflex Plus, Medium Yellow Thermoflex Plus, and Hibiscus. Look how beautiful and summery this color scheme is. Doesn't that look so much fun? And there are 5 different SVGs you also get with it. Now, if you'll give me a moment to change the camera angle, I will go over how we made this shirt. Okie dokie. So the first thing that we need to do for today's Patreon kit is download our file, which as you can see for our June 2020 Patreon kit, there's 5 different SVGs. So I'm going to go ahead and choose the home SVG, and we're going to go ahead and click save. So you're going to have the option, and you do get enough vinyl to make all of these files. You only get one shirt though. Okay, so now I'm going to go down here to Cricut Design Space and click upload. Go to upload image, browse, go to home, select it and click open, which it looks like that. Isn't that adorable? We're going to click save. Something very patriotic because it is that time of year. We're going to go ahead and click insert image. There we go. Okay, so we're going to do this for the front of a shirt, so let's go ahead and we're going to change the size of this to 10.5 inches. Okay, now I want to go ahead and ungroup. And we're going to go ahead and select all of our red. First. There we go. Takes just a second. And click weld. There we go. Now I'm going to make it where I can't see my red pieces, because now we're going to make it faster to weld. We're going to go ahead and select all of our blue and click weld. Now we can make it where we see our red again. There we go. And now we're going to click on make it. There we go. Now since we are cutting this in HTV, we do want to go ahead and mirror. There we go. Click continue. And we're going to choose everyday iron-on. Right there. Now, if you'll give me a minute to change the camera angle, we'll go over how to put this shirt together. So as you can see, I have my vinyl laid out. I did go ahead and weed the flame red layer just because I wanted it to go a little bit faster. It's been a long day today. It's Friday. Just wanted things to be quick. So, I'm weeding our Columbia blue right now, or sorry, cornflower blue. So you'll receive both of these colors in the kit, as well as black, hibiscus, medium, and medium yellow. And plus you'll receive this shirt, which is an ash colored Bella and Canvas. Love that color. And part of the thing is, like, because some of you that are our Patreon supporters are not from the United States, even though the kit that goes out in June is for July. So we wanted to include some 4th of July stuff, but we also wanted to make it where it was just summer as well. So that way everybody could enjoy it. Because, I mean, if you're not from the United States, you don't typically celebrate the 4th of July. Because it is our holiday, not everybody else's. But while I'm reading this, I'll go ahead and remind you, we do have our Oracal 651 on sale. That sale ends Sunday the 17th. So they're typically $2.50 for a 12 by 24 inch piece. They're on sale for $1.75. So it is a pretty good discount. It's a great time to stock up and save. So here's my Steady Betty, 15 by 24 inch. I use it all the time. We're going to go ahead and lay out our t-shirt, which again is a Bellin canvas ash colored. There we go. Pull it off where we have our seams and our collar off. Line up our t-shirt guide. And we're going to start with our flame red layer. Folding the design in half. There we go. Oh, got a little piece stuck. There we go. And as you can see, that definitely does not use the whole 12 by 20 or 12 by 15 inch piece that you get. So now what we're going to go ahead and do is press in sections. Because my easy press is only 9 inches and this design is 10 inches wide. Now, we want to try to make it, there we go, where we're not stretching the material too much. And I am using the heat press, or the easy press is preheated to 330 degrees. There we go. Look how cute that is. And so simple. So now we're going to go ahead and heat that for 15 seconds in 2 sections. And we always reheat again after we pull off all the plastic, but I'm not going to do that on camera just to save time. But I really do love my easy press. I get a ton of use out of it. I get asked that all the time. There we go. Yep. Got to get that corner down there. And if you have any issues ever with your vinyl lifting, because, you know, sometimes when you're using your Teflon sheet and stuff like that, it is not always the easiest to see through. You can always just reheat it up. Does not hurt anything. Look how cute that looks. Now, if you'll give me a moment to change the camera angle, we will go over everything we just did. So hopefully you like this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Sorry if I'm kind of all over the place. I have a bad headache, so I'm trying to finish everything out. Don't forget, we do have a sale going on right now through May the 17th. Our Oracal 651 is on sale for $1.75 a sheet, which is a 12 by 24 inch sheet. They're typically $2.50. But I guess that's it. So we shall see you on Monday. Bye.